Good afternoon YouTube, welcome back to another MX5 story of what's going on in the workshop. And it's a nice day today actually. It's well, it's a bit cold, but blue sky. It's nice. Better weather's coming. I know it's been windy, but God, better than what it was last week. So right, let's get things started. Hang on a sec. I'll have to take this. We'll be back in a moment. And I'm back. Sorry about that, got interrupted. Right, so where am I? Right, just talking about what we've got happening. So today's Tuesday. Obviously had new cars come in Saturday and bits and pieces ready to be done. So right, let's get started. So I was away last week. I was having something done. So this red Mk1 came in, and for an MOT failed on bits and pieces and some other stuff, so I think this has been worked on and has been done. Mk2.5 GOP, this is the one where we're doing a lot of work on. We're doing bits and pieces as of when. Mk2.5, this came in with this has got an ME221 ECU. Just had a couple of issues with some hesitation at low RPMs and some stalling. This is a F1 which is just waiting for the rear panel. KJ, so this Mk2.5 had a misfire, which was very random. That's got to look into that, and I'm not sure what this one is. I think this one's arrived this morning. I didn't see it come in. Alright, I'll find out about that one. So that's what's waiting to be done. Oh, hang on, we've got a Mk3 as well. So Mk3, this is some welding on the inner sill section, a full under sill and roof drains, because you can't see in there, it's very wet. So that's what's actually I'll tell a bit of a lie really, it's quite cold out there. So right, let's just have a look and pause the video. I'm back. So the blue Mk1 was I think straightened floor and some paintwork, near side sill, offside sill and arch, and a full under sill. So some bits and pieces to do on that. Let's go and see the guys.
Alright?
Yeah, good. Getting on right?
Yeah. Not too bad.
What have you been doing while you've been
Welding up a bit, like
round here?
welding, lots on it.
Makes a change for you, isn't it?
Inner sill, ceiling plate and outer sill on arch.
You're just doing the one side on this one?
Yeah. I've
That's
already done the other side. That was done late.
Oh yeah,
on
yeah.
At some point, beginning of last year. But
That's right, so you're pretty much done on it, aren't you?
yeah, just gonna clean up this sort of back and then panel seal it, and under seal it, and then strip it down.
Ready for paint?
Yeah.
Alright, paint shop's going to have to, if you're if you're watching this, Irma, you can get your skates on. You've got 2 other cars coming, I think.
Sorry. But yeah, no, this one's, it's been alright, but I've had a couple of issues I had to sort out.
Have you?
Yeah, just blowing holes. So, but it's sorted now, so.
Alright.
Not really a lot to say, I've got to change the front wing as well.
Alright, let's have a look at that. What side? Oh, up front there.
No, change the whole wing, yeah, we're there and it's rusty.
Oh yeah. That's a bit out my height line up there.
Yeah.
So you can see, yeah, it's all cruddy.
A bit crusty in there, so we'll put it off. We'll clean up behind here. And
Hopefully you won't find any big holes.
Yeah, hopefully. And then, yeah, test fit the new wing. Half bolt it on there and send it off to the body shop.
Cool.
Yeah.
Alright.
So I'm not very talkative today, I'm having a good mood.
Bye, Roy. Where's Ashlee gone? It's not helpful, not in the slightest. You're in the way, Chris. Get an action shot again. The viewers love this. What are you doing anyway?
Fiddling with my
Apart from
nuts.
getting annoyed with me.
Fiddling with my nuts, that's all.
That's the second reference to what happened to me last week now. Not that I've said anything, but...
Oh, that wasn't a reference. That's you've taken that as a reference. I was just saying what it is.
Right.
You asked me what I was doing, Chris, and that's exactly what I was doing.
Playing with your nuts. Alright, so what have you been doing then? You've been doing quite a lot on this car because you were on it last week still, weren't you?
Yeah.
And I was off for half of last week, wasn't I?
Chopped.
So how's it going then? So what have you been doing this morning? Fitting this roll bar?
Yep.
How's it coming along?
Let's get in there.
Which one is it?
GC Fab.
GC Fab. How's the fitment gone?
It's going alright. Just got a couple more holes to drill.
Yeah. I do like this. Was this on here?
Fine.
Yeah. Yeah. You don't always get that with the other associated roll bars, do you?
No.
But it's nice to keep it on during the install process. So your seals are all done, aren't they? Were they? You sure? I don't think they were.
Were they not?
Because I did the last video. Would have been Wednesday last week.
Yeah, that's probably about right.
What, the stone chip on?
Well, I think so.
I think you were doing filler work, Ash.
Possibly. I wasn't far off this time.
Far off. All right, okay. So that's nothing really to look at there, is there? So you've been doing some work in the engine bay.
Yeah, done one of the chassis rails, and then sorted some rust out in the engine bay. So that.
You had some surface corrosion.
That's going to be quite wet. Wouldn't put your fingers in that, Chris.
That wasn't wet.
I only painted that back to fight just before you came into the camera.
Oh. All right, okay. Not really. You haven't really much got any info to talk to me about, have you?
No, done an undersill on it. Got some nice suspension to fit on it once it's dry.
All right. Well, have you got the suspension here?
Yeah, you've already walked past it.
What's this?
Bubble wrap, Chris. Ohlins.
Is it man oil? Is it man oil?
Man.
Can't open it up, Ash. Let's have a look. No, the box. I want to see what's inside. And so does everyone else.
This isn't an unboxing video, you should have said.
It's not an unboxing video. Because we haven't been sent it. Well, we have been sent it to free, but someone had to pay for it. The customer paid for this, didn't they? Did the customer supply these?
Yes. Now you're going to have on camera me like struggling to get into a box.
Come on. That wasn't that hard, was it?
There you go. Some stickers.
What's in there?
I don't know.
Open that up. I'm intrigued to know what's in there.
Open everything. Like it's sealed.
Yeah, that's why I open it up. I've got one hand on the camera. Oh, we didn't use the clapperboard. Oh, nice.
Some fancy badges.
Congratulations on your new Ohlins road and track kit. Alright, put them somewhere safe.
Mandatory stickers. Lots of stickers.
Well, that's a lot of horsepower there.
Some instructions.
So how much do these go for then? Because I'm guessing by the box they're quite expensive.
They're a little bit more expensive than the eBay qualifiers.
Hey? Asphincter says what?
Fancy.
So are these around about 1,000 or more?
I think they're a bit more than that.
Dual flow valve. Quite light as well.
Goes.
Nice.
Brings these things.
Okay, cool. Alright, well thanks for showing me what's in your box. You get new rubbers as well?
Try between 15 and 1,800 quid.
Hey?
15 to 1,800.
15 to 1,800 pounds.
Yeah, a little bit more expensive than eBay.
So they're a bit more. So do you think they're better than the Raceland sort of products?
I'd probably say they're a bit better than the TA Technics.
I wonder if they're the price of another set of Meister R's better than a Meister R set.
I think as suspension goes on an X5, this is as high end as there is really.
But are they the cost? So if you bought a set of Meister R's and then thought, oh, I'm going to buy another set of Meister R's as a backup set, do you think pretty much is going to cost about the same amount of money?
So what are you asking me? Is it better to have two sets of?
No, I'm wondering where is this going to be significantly better than a set of Meister R's? Are you going to notice that difference?
I imagine so.
I'm interested to know what it's going to drive like.
The car for me for that price.
you want them to drive the car for you? I mean, they're nice. Don't get me wrong. The Meister R's are a good suspension setup, but I'm interested to know what a £1,800 set of shocks and springs is going to feel like compared to the Meister R's.
Are you sure you want to know? Because then you might feel a bit disappointed if you spent the money on Meisters.
No, I don't have that spare cash to spend on my car.
Well, it doesn't matter to me anyway.
Unfortunately.
I can't even afford Meisters, so.
Raceland it is.
Don't even make them anymore. It's TA Technics.
I don't know. What's it called now?
TA Technics will get some. What are your goodness? Max Peaving rods.
Don't buy them.
Beep. Right, cheers, Ash.
Cheers, Chris.
Right, that's added some time to the video. Right. So Jim, I'm going to pretend to be Jim today because he's not here. He's gone. He's had to shoot off for something. So he is working on a very nice BBR, Mark 1 BBR. We've done a lot of work on this car in the past. I'm not sure if it's been featured in a few of our other videos. I think it might have been in one of the Nash on one of the, I think the spring rally last year actually. Anyway, we've done some rust correction work down there. It was all corroded up, so everything here has been out. It's been painted and we've tidied everything up. And Jim's in the process of stripping it down for a cam belt change now. And a couple of other bits and pieces, I think. I can't know where the sheet is. There's a few bits and pieces to do on it, but I'm not sure. He may be having a brake disc and pad upgrade from what's fitting on the car at the moment. And shocks. Yes, we've fitted some Meister R's. And what do you know? We were just talking about them. So, yeah, Meister R's have just gone on. They're all in and done. What's happened? Pardon? Is that another bleed?
Right shit himself.
As if I wasn't in a crap mood already, I spilled my English coffee everywhere.
How'd you spill your coffee?
Fucking shake.
30-second rule.
Oh, it's not happy today. Right, so let's go on and see what I'm doing. I might not be doing this actually. So this Mark 1 has come in, and I was supposed to be taking the engine out and fitting a turbo kit, ECU, clutch, and a couple of other bits and pieces, cobalt exhaust. And there's a delivery issue with the product. So it's one of those things, can't be helped. But there's one part that's in the process that needs to be manufactured, but I'm not going to get the part in time for the collection date of this car, so I'm just waiting for the customer to come back and confirm that it's all okay. So once I find that out, well, it depends whether I can start it or not. So I don't think I'm going to be able to start it really. It's a shame, because I was really excited about that. So I'll probably have to jump on those other jobs out there, which is a couple of ECU issues and some adjustments to do. Okay, well, that's it for what's going on. I'll try and get another video done at the end of this week and catch you on that one. See you later, bye bye.